Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4500W electric start dual-fuel RV-ready portable inverter is a remarkable choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile power source. With a peak output of 4,500 watts and a running output of 3,500 watts, this inverter is well suited for RVs, camping trips, tailgating, and emergency backup power. One of the standout features of this inverter is its dual-fuel capability, allowing it to run on both gasoline and propane. This flexibility not only enhances convenience but also provides options for users to choose the fuel source that is more accessible or cost-effective at the moment. The electric start function is another significant advantage, eliminating the need for manual pulling, which can be cumbersome, especially for those less physically able. A notable aspect of the Champion inverter is its quiet operation. It boasts a noise level of only 58 decibels, making it perfect for camping or residential use without disturbing the peace. Additionally, the inverter is equipped with a clean power output, ensuring that sensitive electronics are protected from power surges, a critical feature for powering devices like laptops and mobile phones. Portability is another strong suit of this inverter. Weighing around 95 pounds, it comes with built-in wheels and a foldable handle, making it easy to transport. This practicality is enhanced by its compact design, allowing it to fit comfortably in an RV storage compartment or the trunk of a vehicle. The LCD display is user-friendly, providing real-time information on fuel levels, wattage output, and maintenance reminders. This feature is invaluable for users who want to ensure they are operating within the inverter's capabilities. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 4500W electric start dual-fuel portable inverter excels in performance, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're powering an RV or preparing for an unexpected outage, this inverter proves to be a worthy investment for both casual and regular users alike.